Introducing the 2016 Volkswagen Golf HL 1.6tdi M5F, 5-door with all the bells and whistles you could ever want in a vehicle. This red beauty packs a punch with its 110 horsepower diesel engine, making it both powerful and fuel efficient. The manual transmission gives you full control on the road, while the estate body style provides ample space for all your needs. From luxury trim to advanced safety features like multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, this Golf has it all. Not to mention the convenience of satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a refrigerated storage compartment. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this incredible Golf today.